Having fun, Enzo? Oh, good boy. Stepping stones. See that big, that cylinder one there?
Oh, that one?
Yeah, I saw that flat one there. Enzo, come on. I think he's discovered a love for water all of a sudden. Enzo, come here now.
Oh, you're so wet, Doggy. Are we going to have a blanket or anything?
There you go, and he's like, oh, this is quite fun, Dad.
Oh God, you really are recording, aren't you?
He's so daft. He really is. Oh God, you get Mummy's coat all wet. Look at that, Charles. So, nope, not me. I'm off back in the waterfall.
Is this why you wanted to come?
Well, that was a fun little trip, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Down to the
yeah.
oh God, there's a bit of down to the waterfall.
Mm-hmm.
Aira Force, is it, or something? We're gonna go home now. Have a couple of snacks because we just somehow missed lunch. Go home, have a couple of snacks, take a couple of photos, do whatever I need to do. Then we'll go out and have tea and then come back, and then that's it, I think, for the day. But that was really quite fun. Did you get some good photos?
Yeah, it's a little bit wet too.
Enzo loved the waterfall, didn't you? Hmm? Well, that's another day in the lake's over with. When we got back from the waterfall, we didn't really do much. We had a nap for like 2 hours, went out and had tea, walked the dog, and really relaxed, haven't we? It's now 10:30. I'm going to get this vlog edited and go to bed. Enjoyed today's vlog, give it a thumbs up, stay positive, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.